You came from?
I'm from Malaysia, but I came from London.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah.
You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Watched too many videos, you have to try.
Yeah, I had to try because, from the description you read, I had sciatica.
Yeah.
I'm still having it. So
How long you have?
6 months.
6 months now.
Yeah, 6 months.
You have been you doing an MRI? Yes.
No.
Okay. How you know your sciatica? You have
I've been
symptoms?
to physios. I've been to doctors, and their diagnosis.
Oh,
sciatica.
okay.
So
Sciatica. Okay.
yeah.
6 months now, and
6 months.
it's up and down, or it's always pain there.
Always pain, but I'm taking medication right now a lot. So
Oh.
the high codeine and ibuprofen basically every day.
Okay.
So in the morning it hurts. At night it
What
hurts.
happened? Do you remember? It just came from nowhere.
Cause I'm playing badminton as well.
Okay.
So maybe during that time. So
Okay,
maybe when I was doing some lunges or just some movements that hurts my back.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Where are you from originally again?
Malaysia.
Malaysia. It's a good chiropractic there in Malaysia. Chris Leong.
Chris Leong, yeah.
Yeah.
He was my chiropractor back when I was in Malaysia.
Oh, you have been to him.
I've been to him before.
Okay, yes.
So yeah.
Small world.
Yeah.
Come sit here. Come sit here. Let me check your posture first. At least you know what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
Same routine. How long you living alone?
4 years.
4 years now?
Yeah. I haven't slept since yesterday.
Wow.
I haven't slept.
Wow.
So because I catch the earliest flight.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
Are you going straight back or?
Yeah, my flight's at 1.
Oh, 1 o'clock?
1 o'clock.
Oh, you can make it. You can make it.
Yeah.
No problem.
I have time for a nap.
That's it. Let me see. There you go. Oh, that's the one. That's the one. Cross finger together, please. Elbow close, fall back. There you go, there you go. There you go. That's the one. There you go. Wow. That was a big one. Put the hands in the hips, please. Elbow, push back. Hard again. That's it. Push back. There you go. There you go. There you go. There you go. No way. No way. Face down here, please. Face down there. Put your arm next here, please. Which side is this one? Yeah.
This side,
Yeah.
my left side.
That's the one. Lift the one, please. Yeah. There you go. There you go. Lift the one, please. That's the one. Open your legs wide again. Push them up. Hard. That's it. That was easy. That was very easy. There you go. Baby massage. What is it? Turn on your side, please. Any side you can. Lie on your side.
Can sleep today.
Hopefully.
You enjoy the sleep of it. Don't worry.
Hold the hands like this.
There you go. Other side, please. There you go. On your back, please. Ah, please.
Hold my wrist. Hold here.
Oh, yes, yes, yes.
Try to leave your legs as loose.
Oh, that's it, that's it. That was a good one there.
Loose.
That's it, one more.
Loose.
Good.
Strong guy.
That's it. That's it.
What work you do?
Sorry?
What work are you doing?
And surveying work.
That's it. Loose. That's the one. Exactly there.
Missing this one.
Ah, yeah. No worry. Once you come in. Hold it.
Keep exhaling. Keep exhaling.
That's it. Good flexibility. More easy to be fixed. That's it. Wow. Is this all this side?
Yeah.
Bring it, Tariq, over there.
Head up a little bit. Back down. Don't bite your tongue. Keep your mouth closed.
There you go. Don't worry. With the shoulder. Sit up, please. Stay where you are.
Open this way.
Fall back. Stiff. Wow. Lie down. And pain down. No, and cool down. Be happy. Wow, you're doing a good job today. There you go. There you go.
That's a good one.
Happy days. Let me check a little bit around here. Sit down, you can walk around now. Stand up, walk around, please, walk around. Take it.
Oh, this is what I was waiting for 6 months. Thank you so much.
You're doing a great job. 6 months of just to get a little bit better.
Yeah,
Now,
before this I was doing this,
Yeah.
but now I'm like, yeah,
fully.
there we go. So it's
Yeah.
really good.
We're doing a good job. You don't have to go back home. It's just quick.
Yeah.